And here we are giving you some views of the construction progress for the Camp Snoopy Off-Road Rally, which is supposed to open up later this summer. We just saw the viewpoint from next to where Montezuma's Revenge is, or is going to be again. And now let's take a look at the other side of the ride. That's okay.
We want to kind of like peek on what they're going to do.
Yeah, I'm videotaping right now. So.
Over there you can see the other roller coaster they're making this roller coaster.
Are they making another roller coaster here?
They're actually right there, and you can see it on the stagecoach. If you're on the stagecoach, you can get a good view of the roller coaster construction.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you think they're going to do here?
This is going to be like an Autopia type of ride for both adults and kids. And it's replacing both the Huff and Puff as well as the Sierra Trucking Company.
Oh.
They look like they're ready to pour some concrete for the track. So last time we were here, it was nothing at all. There was no construction boards bringing out the frame or the size and shape of the track itself. So there's been a lot of progress since then. We had much more rain than most people anticipated. So it kind of threw things back a little bit as far as the scheduled opening, but it looks like they're right back on track, if you know what I mean. Yep, you got it. You're right. What you couldn't hear was a young mom who was with her child, and she said, "Are you going to put this on Facebook?" And I said, "You got it," as well as YouTube. Now here's the construction from the viewpoint of the exit of the balloon race, just next to the last launch. Man, I wished I was as tall as Shaquille O'Neal or Richard Keel, so you could get a better vantage point of where the Huff and Puff used to be. Well, I guess they don't have to be as tall after all, because here's a much better viewpoint of where Huff and Puff used to be, and a much more detailed look at it. Well, there's the latest of the Camp Snoopy Off-Road Rally, and looking at the picture online of what the truck's going to look like, it looks like a 1970s Chevy truck. Ironically, back in the late 80s, early 90s, the Walter Knott Theater was called the Chevrolet Good Time Theater. Maybe a nod to that. And we look forward to presenting more construction progress in the next couple of weeks. For the Talking Archive at Knott's Berry Farm's Camp Snoopy, I'm Josh Jacobs.